there friends, Merry Christmas. Let's talk about Dogecoin. I hope everyone had a great Christmas. I really do mean that. And obviously the stock market is closed and will be for another day here. And crypto has been doing well these past 2 days and going to be 3 days by the time we get to Monday, obviously. But wrapping up the year, a lot of people ask me, what am I holding at the end of the year for stocks and crypto? One thing that I am holding quite a bit of and that I'm happy to have still is Dogecoin. I have around 8,000 coins in Dogecoin, maybe a little over 8,000 because I have it in another application as well. So I'm holding somewhere around that at a pretty cheap price. If you know me in this channel, you know that I'm quite the fan of crypto in general, and I talk about Dogecoin, Shiba, Cardano. Those are the main coins that I buy a lot of and I'm very bullish on. And I'm up quite a bit. So talking about Dogecoin, let's go right into what we're seeing right now in this chart with Dogecoin. Obviously, we've seen this month bring in quite a bit of an up and down situation. Now, right in the beginning of December, and then right here, this spike, December 14th, this is when Elon Musk came out with that interview talking about Dogecoin, saying some really good things about Doge. It shot up just within a few hours and then kind of tapered back down. Now we're starting to see another organic walk up here on Dogecoin. And obviously, I'm well aware that the market is closed. People are trading Dogecoin, crypto in general, a lot more right now. But going into the new year here, obviously we have this last week in the market and we're going to go right into 2022. Now, obviously, if we look at this time last year with Dogecoin, Dogecoin was extremely cheap. If you were buying Dogecoin at that point, man, oh man, you were doing really good. I personally did not start buying Dogecoin until around April, I believe so. April is around when I started buying Dogecoin. We've had Elon Musk. He is the main person that keeps saying really good things about Dogecoin, that it's simple. You buy it, you hold it, you sell it, you trade it, you do what you need to do. It's simple. It's not going to really do anything else. Obviously, the more is bought, sold, and traded here, the market cap will continue to go up, is going to see new heights. I really think by July, we could see this maybe at a 30 to 50 cent range, and that could be the new bottom. I think crypto in general is going to have an amazing year here in 2022, especially with all these new blockchain systems, Cardano really starting to do something. There's a lot of cryptos that are, there's a lot that are doing well. But I really do believe the simplicity of Dogecoin will always be there as the attraction for investors. I really do believe that. But looking at this last month, it is really interesting how we're tracking right now. It looks like we are about to see Dogecoin maybe break back into this 25 cent range here. And I want to bring your attention to this right here. Dogecoin is famous for just fluctuating at crazy rates up and down. Now we've seen Dogecoin fall down to a 16 cent range here around July, and then once we hit that, it played around going up quite a bit, hitting this 20, playing around 20 for quite a while. Then we had that big walk up where it almost hit 35 cent range. So my belief going into 2022 here is that Dogecoin is going to, I think it's pretty safe to say this 20 cent zone is the new bottom. This is kind of, 16 to 20 is the new, back and forth bottom with this. Obviously, traders are using that right now to leverage it back and forth, buy and sell and trading, which is obviously very smart. But what I think you're going to see here this year, I think you're going to see a lot of hedge funds, a lot of famous people, a lot of banks, a lot of companies start to buy up a lot of crypto. And I think Dogecoin is going to be one of those cryptos. There's still a realm of people that believe Dogecoin is a joke. It's not real. It's not going anywhere. That's fine. I think at this point, that's kind of dangerous to say. I think you're selling Dogecoin short at that point. With 2022 coming up here, NFT situation, the blockchain situation, how that is transforming, and Dogecoin just kind of being right there, just a simple buy, sell, trade coin. I really think this is going to be the year of crypto. I would tell people very seriously, I would not miss opportunity like this. I don't think buying Dogecoin right now at a 20 cent range is crazy at all. Because what are you doing right now? You are investing. So looking at 2022 December, this time next year, think about what Dogecoin could really look like. And think how Dogecoin has really sustained itself over this year. It's done very well just for 1 year. Imagine what another year is going to look like for Dogecoin, friends. So friends, with all that said, I'm very bullish on Dogecoin going into 22. I'm still holding quite a bit. I'm not selling it. I will probably have this stuff for, who knows, maybe 5 to 10 years more, whatever it does. Very excited about it. So friends, with all that said, I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for being here. Best of luck in the market starting Monday. I'm very curious to see how the market's going to do this week. It's going to be very interesting having the last week in the market. I'm kind of thinking it could do pretty well here with people buy, selling, and trading and trying to get out of things and just selling their losses and buying into new things and kind of pushing things up in volume. So friends, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in your future, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye, friends.